Common Core State Standards Math, 7th grade, Statistics and Probability, 5-8. And it is to find the probability of the event, but we need to look at the vocabulary first. And so let's look at the vocabulary. So probability is the chance that something is going to happen. Some event, they call that event, is going to happen. It's the chance that something is going to happen. It is not a definite. It is the chance that it will happen. So you can have it's likely to happen or not likely to happen, but it is not a certainty. A simple event is it's an outcome, and it's what you want to happen. What you want to happen. As in, I can say the probability of the sun shining today is 50-50. Okay, and so that would be a simple event. It could be I want a 6 if I drop a dice. That would be probability of getting a 6 would be the simple event. And the outcome is all the things that can happen. All the things, or the number of things, that can happen. Okay, so if it's dropping a dice, 1 through 6, the outcomes are I can get a 1, I can get a 2, I can get a 3, I can get a 4, I can get a 5, I can get a 6. I cannot get a 7. I cannot get a 0 on a dice that has 1 through 6. So the outcomes are what can happen. The simple event is what you want to happen. And they are all expressed as ratios. So, so you can be like 1 out of 6. It could be 1 to 6, or it can actually be written as 1 to 6. But they are ratios, and we've done that before, but we'll go over it again. And a complementary event goes along with the simple event. And the complementary event is what you don't want to happen. Don't want to happen. So if I want to have a 6, if I want to drop, if I say I'm going to get a 6 off of a dice, I can get, what I don't want to happen is I don't want a 1, I don't want a 2, I don't want a 3, I don't want a 4, I don't want a 5. So the complementary event is what you don't want to happen. I do want the simple event of 6 to happen, so I just 1 out of 6. And the complementary would be everything else that you don't want to happen. And random is, we'll look at that a little bit later. Thank you.